Hey there, and welcome to this Expert Course Business Masterclass. I am really excited to have you here because I get to do what I like to do most, to help you succeed, in this case with building your own course business. But this is also probably the reason why you are here, because you want to do the same for others. At least, I hope that's why you're here. You are about to embark on an exciting journey, one that will propel you into the forefront of the, what I always call, online learning revolution. Because online learning is no longer just another trend. It's now an important part of our world, and it's transforming the way people pursue their ambitions. Everywhere you look, people are reaching out for new skills and knowledge to get into that dream career, or to take the leap into entrepreneurship, or simply to solve a problem in their lives. They're often doing this outside the confines of the traditional education system, choosing instead for the accessible world of online education. They can enroll at any time. There are no assessments to enroll, and oftentimes it is way cheaper than traditional education. And the fourth point is that people can learn exactly what they want to learn. I have a bachelor's and a master's degree in marketing-related fields, and you wouldn't know how much stuff I learned there that is completely useless to me. I would have loved to be able to cherry pick and save more than 50% of the time that I spent in the education system, but I couldn't. And your future customers can. So there's this big change in education. And here's the exciting part. You have the opportunity to be a driving force in this movement. You have the potential to be the provider of that much needed knowledge, inspiration, and motivation. So you want to be a change maker in other people's lives. But of course, the question that then arises is, how do I do that? And this is precisely where this Expert Course Business Masterclass comes in. This extensive masterclass will be your guidebook. It's a huge bucket, or treasure chest, if you will, filled with all the knowledge, insights, and insider secrets accumulated over a decade in course and business creation. As we journey together through this masterclass, you'll not only gain the ability to craft a top-tier online course, but perhaps even more important, you'll have to know how to launch and grow your own profitable course business. And that's exactly why you are here, right? This masterclass is for you if you would like to build a business from helping people by doing what you do best, or better yet, what you love doing and are passionate about. Doing the things that don't feel like work. Now, let me clarify something. This masterclass isn't just a regular step-by-step guide. We're going a lot deeper than that in more than 100 training videos. We'll explore the mechanics of creating your course, but we'll also delve into the why behind your course. We're going to immerse ourselves in the minds of your future audience or your ideal customer persona. We'll probe their struggles, their aspirations, their dreams, and ultimately the transformation that they're searching for. This is where I'll show you how to take your course and morph it into a bridge that connects your audience with their goals. We'll cover the subway framework from my book, The Value Pillars, that will help you a lot in your new course business. Connecting your audience with their goals. That's the secret that will set your course apart and will help you find success. Think of yourself not just as a course creator, but as a bridge builder, a catalyst for change. And remember, as part of the Expert Course Business community, you're never alone in this journey. We'll navigate the sometimes daunting landscape of course creation together, including all the tech bits, learning from each other, and making a tangible difference in people's lives. You're here because you're ready to ignite change. You're ready to impart your unique knowledge, skills, and insights. You're ready to be a key player in the thriving world of online education. So, strap yourself in for this journey. Let's create, let's inspire, and let's succeed together. Welcome to the Expert Course Business Masterclass. I'm thrilled to have you on board. Let's get started, shall we?